Have you ever wondered why girls chase some guys? While they completely ignore others, there is a biological secret that makes girls set their sights on a man. This secret is the opposite of what they always tell you in the movies. If you follow the traditional advice given by Disney movies, others will start doing everything for the girl they want. You will sail across oceans and slay dragons, and you actually get treasures for it. Sailing the oceans means the time you spend with them and kill the dragon. It means the things you do for her, like solving her problems, and getting treasures means the money you spend on them. What happens when you follow this advice in real life is that the girl will put you in the category of friends only. You are, for her, someone valuable enough to keep you around, but she is not attracted to you at all. You can continue killing all dragons, but the girl will go after another man. He doesn't even seem to care about her. Girls want a man who is better than them. She wants to pursue a man who is not available to her, which leads to stimulating an unconscious idea within her that this man is after something bigger and more important than her unavailability also refers to the girl. The man is not hungry for her attention and has other options. This man is classified as a man of high value, so she starts following him. A man who is always available, always ready to give her his time and energy, is actually stimulating ideas. No conscious is quite the opposite. The girl sees this man as a man of a lower level, a desperate man who can be easily replaced. There is a saying that says, if you treat her like a celebrity, she will treat you like a fan. Most men don't understand this saying. They treat the girl like a celebrity. For example, the nice guy who can't wait to show how cute he is, or the guy who sends private messages on Instagram. For the girl he wants, you will see that these are the same men. They are the ones who complain most often of how difficult it is for girls to understand. How do uninterested people get all the girls? The alpha male, the bad boy, and the bad boy have one thing in common, which is that they focus on themselves. They maintain a strong framework with the girls. This is very attractive to them. This does not mean you should change your personality and become a rude man. I'm just telling you this. To know the ways in which Hoda attracts women, you must maintain your personal principles and build a strong masculine framework for the women around you to respect. What does frame preservation mean? It means that people follow your rules and accept your framework, values, and morals. They accept your leadership. By this, I mean to be your own unique personality, which is unique to you alone, and to become so. You must know yourself well. I mean a deep understanding of yourself and your goals in life. This is something the stereotypical nice guy doesn't have. The girls are biologically tested what? If the man they want to marry has a strong masculine frame. Unconsciously, the girl will experience it and may do so by starting a fight. A man who has a strong frame does not become emotional. He does not start arguing back and forth. He may laugh at it or completely ignore what was said. This shows the girl that this is a mentally strong man, and she can't control him just emotionally. This simple case, she tested the man's frame and the man passed the test easily. It will increase her attraction to him. Not to be available all the time. Maintain an air of mystery when interacting with girls. Always maintain your framework and focus on your own goals. If you like the content of the Modern Man channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell.